have a more tougher problem on two Venn diagram here. So let's solve these two and see how far we have gone in two Venn diagram. Okay. Now the question is, in a class of 45 students, 32 offered physics, 28 offered government, and 12 did not offer any of the two subjects. The first thing, as usual, is our solution. Don't forget we have a rectangle which signifies the word, the universal set. Okay. Then of course, this is a two Venn diagram. We have government and we have physics. So we have two circles to represent the subset, which is this and this. Hope we are following. We have physics, P, and we have government, G. Of course, in a class of 45 students, so in this case now you have been given the universal set. Unlike the first question, we're not given universal set, but here we have been given universal set to be 45. Now, 45 students, that's our universal set. Okay. 32 offered physics. You can see, just like the other one I saw, this is not having physics only. This is just physics. So I'm going to put it outside that circle, but within the rectangle. That's 32. Then 28 offered government. So 28 offered government, which is going to be here as well. Okay. And 12 did not offer any of the two subjects. Now, neither is going to be placed outside this circle, but within the rectangle. So I can place that here. That's a neither, because summation of the neither, like I said before, summation of the neither plus the one inside the circle will give total events over there. Okay, so before we complete this, the first question says we should do a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. So this is our Venn diagram. We have been able to answer the first question. I hope you are getting it. So you can see again that these are empty. So we represent them with letters A, B, and I can place X here because this X here represents the two sides. Are we following? Okay, so if it's the same thing, if you trace this circle, just like what we did in our last class, A plus X, you had it, will give what? 32. You make sure that the one inside the circles have a particular word letter. Okay, so when you make A the solid of the formula here, A will be equals to what? 32 minus what? X. You can call that equation 1. So that means in the case of A here, is equals to 32 minus what? X. You have to make sure that the letters are uniform before you can continue. Okay, so the other one too, we also have the second circle, which is having X plus B is equals to what? 28. So B equals to what? 28 minus what? X. So this is also 28 minus X. Then we are good to go here. So I can call this also equation 2. Please, are we together? Okay, so the other thing we need to do now is I say summation of the neither plus the one inside the circle will give rise to what? To universal set. So let's add the one inside the circle together. We have 32 minus X plus 28 minus X, then plus neither will give 45. Just like you are making equation. Of course, you agree with me that minus X plus X out. We are only left with minus X here. So collecting like times, 32 plus 28 will give 60. 60 plus 10 will give 72. This is plus 72 equals to 45. So collect like times again, we have minus X equals to what? 45 minus 72. So minus X equals to what? Minus 27. Because 45 minus 72 will give minus 27. Minus can cancel minus. So therefore, X equals to what? 27. Then this is the most difficult part of this solution. Then the rest are very simple. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is that since you have gotten X to be equal to 27, you replace back in equation 1 and equation 2 to get the value of A and B respectively. So this can be said to be A equals to 32 minus 27, and 32 minus 27 will give 5. Please, are we following? Then also B implies that B equals to 28 minus 27, and that will give us what? 1. So coming back to the simplification of that diagram, of course, we are going to have something like this. Please permit me to erase this part so I can simplify this diagram here. Okay. Okay, guys, we are going to have our simplified diagram as this. This is instead of 32 minus X, now we have gotten A, which is 5. Instead of 28 minus X, we have gotten B to be 1. Then of course, this is our X, and our X represents 27. This is going to be 27 in between. So the universal set is what? 45. Don't forget, this is physics and this is government, and there is 12 here. So if you have 12 plus 5 plus 27 plus 1, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 27 is 44, 44 plus 1 will give rise to what? 45. So that means we are done. Okay, we have been able to solve this question. Then we can now answer the question below it. How many students offered both physics and government? Now, of course, our answer here, let me put down the answers here. Our answers here will be the second question. How many students offered both physics and government? Both physics and government, the circle representing that connect physics and government together is this line, which is 27. So our answer is 27 for the second one. Then lastly, what is NP union G? Now NP union G simply means that the union of P and G. What is the number of union of P and G? So when you unite P and G together, you know you have 5 plus 27 plus 1. That will give you what? 33, so which is our final answer. Okay guys, this is what I have for you today. Like I've said before, for you to follow me on this channel, kindly you need to subscribe to this particular channel and like this video, share this video, and turn on the bell notification to receive any updates on this particular channel. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye for now.